Alright, this is the elevator here at the EPCOT Monorail station here at Walt Disney World, Lake Buena, Vista, Florida. And we have an Otis HydroAccel mod. I believe this thing has been modernized twice. I think it was originally a 1980s Westinghouse, but I'm not 100% sure. Anyways, here's the elevator. Let's go to warning here is completely dead. Terminal 2. Back down to 1. Kind of rare basic Otis elevator for a transit system. It's very dark in here too. These are your series M2 buttons, certificates, phone. Dead fluid indicator, capacity is 2,100 pounds. That's also dead. Number 1. We'll live on the second floor because I'm going to hop on the monorail and head to the Magic Kingdom or the Transportation Ticket Center. There it goes, and as you can see, this elevator could have easily been made glass with a good view towards the globe. Otherwise, just your basic transit style elevator. And I guess that'll be it.